You got any good questions for the video subject?
Not seeing too many questions that we haven't already responded to with a video or just responding in the comments, but I am seeing a lot of people that are just thanking us for the reply series, and they're also thanking us for reading and responding to comments. So that's kind of cool that it's working. You seen anything?
I got one that keeps coming up, and it's centered kind of on the priming of the blue DA foam. People are still struggling with that, so we've got to do something. You think you can knock a video out like that?
On it.
Our Rupes Bigfoot DA coarse cutting foam pad has a tremendous range and can do incredible cutting and incredible finishing. It's really an outstanding pad. However, to the first-time user, due to the stiffness of the foam, it might be a little bit unusual to try at first. So in this video, I'm going to give you some pointers on how to prepare this blue DA foam pad to reach its full potential in cutting and finishing. So the initial stiffness of this foam actually has a technical purpose and a performance reason for that. The stiffness of the foam actually more efficiently transfers the movement of the tool through the foam to the paint. So that is the reason why that stiffness exists. Another feature of this pad is the contoured profile. Now the function of that contour is to actually help this pad perform better on curves and contours while maintaining pad rotation. The blue color in this product actually is part of our color coordinated system that is intended to give you an initial match to a coordinated compound. So the initial performance of this pad really depends on proper priming. I'm about to show you how to do that. So the priming actually, what it does to gain the performance with this foam is we are going to warm up the foam, we're going to spread the liquid across the foam surface, and then this is going to get this pad ready to do the extreme cut and the outstanding finishing that this has the potential to do. So we will center the pad. If you want a good deep dive into how to prime pads, we have another video on our YouTube channel for that. But this is how to do this particular pad. So we will apply an X pattern onto this foam pad. As you apply this X pattern, what we want to coach you on is to make sure that you don't take the X all the way out to the outer edge of this foam pad. It's important that you remember to do that. So we'll put this pad to paint. As with all of our priming recommendations, speed setting number 2 on the tool. And we will actually run this stationary in one place for about 20 to 30 seconds. While we do this, we're going to apply a little bit of pressure, really plant that foam down. Again, the goal here is to warm up the foam and get the liquid to spread across the surface of the pad. This is the desired result for this priming of this blue foam pad. Since we have run this for 20 to 30 seconds, this is very, very soft. If we didn't get this thin coat of compound across this foam, then we simply could apply a dot or two more compound, run the tool 10 to 15 seconds more, and then you should get this result. So once properly primed, this DA coarse foam pad has an incredible cut and finish range. And it's ideally suited for those situations where wool fiber or microfiber pads might be too aggressive on the paint you're working on. This would be your ideal solution. So to demonstrate the cutting ability of this incredible product, we've prepared a sanding mark for you. This sanding mark actually is a 1500 grit foam sanding disc mark, and we're going to make a tape line for you so you can on camera see a good before and after. We are already primed. Our reload is just a couple of pea-sized dots. And then we do our standard application. And let's look at this result. Fantastic, as expected. We have this 1500 grit sanding mark that we've removed with a foam cutting pad. So hopefully this video has helped to show you how to get the best performance out of our DA Course foam cutting pad. It really is a fantastic product with a big range of cut and finish that can be used on a wide variety of applications. Please do remember to prepare that pad for its best performance, and we've just shown you how to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying the content here on our YouTube channel. We'll see you on the next one.